Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Troy Raujo, and in this video of mine, I'm going to show you all how to use a push button switch to turn on a DC motor or a LED or both together on. So the components you need are a breadboard, a 9-volt battery with battery clip, a micro switch, and a DC motor with a propeller fan attached to it. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is place the micro switch on the breadboard. The micro switch has 4 pins. Now let's connect the 9-volt battery. So connect the positive side of the 9-volt battery to the first pin of the micro switch and the negative side of the battery to a blank space on the breadboard. Now connect one side of the DC motor to the negative side of the battery and the other side of the DC motor to the fourth pin of the micro switch. You can also connect a LED in place of the DC motor or along with the DC motor. Connect the anode, which is the positive side of the DC motor, to the fourth pin of the micro switch and the cathode, which is the negative side of the LED, to the negative side of the battery. If you found my video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.